5 exciting ways to increase intensity at work. Do you want to hear of one thing you can do right now to improve your career potential? One simple thing that doesn't cost anything or take time and yet will make people look at you more positively? One thing that will make you stand out from everyone else in the organization. Increase your intensity. That means being enthusiastic. It means being focused. It means being sincere. Here are some ways you can increase your intensity and get noticed. 1. Fake it till you make it. You may not be used to being actively enthusiastic in your workplace. The good news is that like breeds like. If you choose to behave enthusiastically, you'll feel more and more positive. Every morning, choose to be enthusiastic. Say it out loud and mean it. 2. Have clear goals. You need to be clear about what you want to achieve in your career. That gives you something to focus your energy and enthusiasm on, and will make you much more likely to achieve them. Having goals will also make you stand out from the majority of people who drift along with no clear idea of where their life is taking them. 3. Stay focused. Keep your energy and motivation high by staying focused on what you want to achieve. Be organized and as productive as you can, and keep your eye on the main prize. Don't get derailed by office gossip, or the thank God it's Friday mentality. Make the most of your time in the office to get things done. 4. Be positive. Build up your own personal store of positive energy. Celebrate your successes and see yourself as someone who gets things done and gets ahead. Learn to see failure as an opportunity for learning and changing, and don't take it personally. 5. Make a work happiness list. You may not be used to thinking of the workplace as somewhere to be happy, but why not? You spend a lot of your life there, so you should make opportunities to find happiness there. Do you get the opportunities to use and build your skills? Maybe you get to work with inspiring people or projects that make a difference in the world. Your office might have a beautiful view, or be near a park, or have great coffee. You'll be surprised at how many positives you can find in your workplace. Making a Count Your Office Blessings list will keep your spirits and motivation high.